This video is going to be names and locations of parts on the RX-8. This is a very elementary video, so any of you advanced RX-8 people, skip this video. This is for like first-time buyers. Alright, your ECU is located underneath this box. This is your air pump, part of your EVAC system. Alternator, mass airflow sensor, fuse panel. If you are wondering whether you have a 2-port or a 4-port, you can tell by right here, your 4 ports have the extra runners down here. If you don't have this, you don't have a 4-port. Your AC compressor is located down there. This one doesn't have it. You'll hear people talking about the ESS sensor. That is actually located right up underneath your harmonic balancer here to the side. If you need to work on it, you'll remove your air box, your hose, plenty of room. Your oil coolers and the dreaded oil cooler leaks are located under your fender wells. Your oil coolers are, the light's bad, attached to the front here. These 2 lines here, this is usually where it leaks if it leaks. The radiator is actually located underneath the front of the vehicle. Your oil filter location, right against the firewall. On the driver's side if you're in America. Your OBD2 port is located right underneath the steering column under the dash. This is your throttle body.